How harmonious do you feel within yourself right now? This question is at the heart of Mindful Power Yoga, a practice that invites you to explore the depths of your own being. This is not your average yoga. It's a holistic approach that combines physicality, mentality, and spirituality in a dance of self-discovery. It's about finding balance, strength, and flexibility, not just in our bodies, but in our lives. As we move through each pose with intention, synchronized with our breath, we create a seamless flow of energy. We awaken to the wisdom of our bodies, the tranquility of our spirits, and the power of the present moment. This journey of self-exploration fosters inner harmony, helping us to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and resilience. So, whether you're an experienced yogi or a beginner, there's a place for you in this practice. Stay with us as we guide you through the principles and techniques of Mindful Power Yoga. The foundation of Mindful Power Yoga lies in its three core principles: breath, movement, and spirit. Let's delve into these principles. First, we have breath. In yoga, breath is the life force, the energizing current that flows within us. In Mindful Power Yoga, we use a technique known as ujjayi breathing, a slow and controlled breath that helps focus the mind and energize the body. As you inhale, imagine drawing in positive energy, and with each exhale, release any tension or negativity. Next, we have movement. In this practice, we create a fluid connection between breath and movement. Each pose is not an endpoint, but part of a continuous flow. As you inhale, extend or rise in a pose. As you exhale, fold or lower. This coordination creates a dynamic dance, a moving meditation that awakens every cell in your body. Finally, we have spirit. This is the silent observer within you, the part of you that remains constant amidst the ebb and flow of life. In Mindful Power Yoga, we cultivate a connection with this inner spirit, creating a sense of inner harmony and peace. Now let's bring these principles to life. Consider the pose of Warrior Two. As you inhale, reach forward with your right hand and back with your left, extending your body along an invisible line. As you exhale, bend your right knee, sinking deeply into the pose. Feel the strength in your legs, the stretch in your arms, the steadiness of your breath. This is Mindful Power Yoga in action, a union of breath, movement, and spirit. In every pose, bring this same level of awareness and intention. Be present in each moment, whether you're in a challenging balance pose or a restful savasana. Listen to your body, honor its limits, and celebrate its capabilities. Remember, every pose is a conversation between your body and mind, your breath and spirit. So engage in this dialogue with kindness, patience, and curiosity. This is the essence of Mindful Power Yoga, a practice that empowers you to find strength, flexibility, and peace, both on and off the mat. Now that you know the core principles and techniques, it's your turn to experience the transformative power of Mindful Power Yoga. Embark on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. And remember, there's no need to strive for perfection. This practice is about connection, not perfection. It's about tuning into your body, your breath, and your spirit, and creating a harmonious flow of energy. Whether you're new to this practice or a seasoned yogi, every step you take on this path is a step towards greater self-awareness and inner harmony. And you're not alone on this journey. The yoga community is a wonderful space of mutual support and shared growth. So go ahead, roll out your mat, take a deep breath, and dive into the flow. Share your experiences and thoughts in the comments section. We love hearing about your journeys. Until next time, breathe deeply, move mindfully, and keep exploring the power within you.